Teejay, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector. Mafia.
You see what we're dealing with today? The man is back in the lab again. Oh man, you don't mean that lab walk going in, man. Crazy work getting put in, bro. Crazy reaction coming, review, all that good stuff. And you see what we did today? We are with the up top boss. Yeah, man, up top boss. Yeah, man, you don't know where they were today. We there with Teejay, the one that named 4th of July. And I just saw there we reacted to Teejay can't done. Like I say, money can't done, you know. I know the nigga dropped this 4th of July, the day after 4th of July. You're not even in America, bro. What's going on? Maybe the time in the half never get approval in time. We don't know. But we're gonna check it out. So the up top boss I deal with. Don't know Teejay a talented artist. I'll drop some bangers. Song them always smash. You see me I say? So we not really expect nothing different. And this one, yeah, what go on? Long time I hear some DJ like spitting, like them no bad like we Teejay. When then Teejay are grimy Teejay. Where the Teejay they did? The Teejay them want hear dog. You see me I say? Yeah man, gang. You know you can't sing on anything, but one about the grimy Teejay there, bro. You see me? Up top boss, up top. You see me I say? One like say them head can't bust. And them the Teejay want hear, but you see me now look vibe much longer gang. Today we're gonna jump right in that track. Teejay, 4th of July, let's see what one. Yes, get it, gang. You go you to see it, chain.
Yo, Ato.
This beat go crazy. Is this a sample?
Yeah, that already my son, so.
You so bad done.
Me not even sing no sad song pan already behind up.
Nobody already no sad song, brother. Don't do it. I hate that shit. Beautiful as be that and the man who want to put some sad song on it, bro. Come on, man.
It's a fresh song.
Fresh song? Let me hear what one.
It's a high song, dog. Yeah, do like it.
A long time we ain't get a good weed song or fresh song for real.
Fat pussy girl in me corner. Me light up a ganja. Just get a call from father. I tell ya, if a couple bars me I beg her. We smoking the weed and we high. Spliff back and spliff me I light. Yeah, we fire shot like the 4th of July.
Yeah. Hola. No. Yes. Long time when I get our blood clean, blazing tune. Long time when I get our blazing tune. I really tell man, this is it. This is a good way tune. Come on.
We smoking the weed and we high. Spliff back and spliff me
I like.
Yeah, we fire shot like the
4th of July. Play the song. Come on, play the song incoming.
QTC choppy light.
Yeah.
Loan any sicker, we no drink Martin. Out inna the road front this morning. We full of high grade and we no do farming. Yeah, we bury boy love, but we no do bombing. Pull up inna the club, we no do talking.
Yeah.
You watch your mouth, me we box it down like Will.
Yo, watch your mouth, don't talking. We box it look like Will. Ease yourself.
Can't see me asking out a
Box it look like Will Smith, brother.
so she no brawling. So the killer them go on when we do braffing. We smoking the weed and we high. Spliff back and spliff me a light. Yeah, we fire shot like the 4th of July.
Come in, man. Yeah, man. Vibes.
QTC choppy light. Ain't nothing like a big spliff. And a fat pussy girl that chill with. Turn up the music. Turn up the music. All the vibes there. Ace of spade for champagne. I grade up in my brain.
Yeah, man. It's a vibe.
Dark my frost. It's a girl me a pray. Red and local and she from overseas. Me just want fuck somebody tonight and I pray. Me just want somebody that I can suck my cocky.
You don't care for our local or overseas, you know. You see me, I say, me just want brrrr. You see me, I say, me want to go brrrr. Come on.
Right now, me a walk on the cloud and I'm on all top of the tree. Right now, my friends are fucking feel like some lies on the key. I mean, not see nobody if you can't go me na G. Smoking the weed and we high. Spliff back and spliff we are light. Yeah, we fire shot like the 4th of July.
Come on.
UTC choppy line.
Yo, that visual. Is that AI right there? That scene is crazy. You see, mama, we see that jiggle, man. Mama, we saw it jiggling. UTC choppy line. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Teejay upon them bumbo hole. Yeah, man. Up top boss. Don't play the up top camp, you know. Tier UTC choppy line. Tier man. Split back and split via like. Yeah, we fought a man a fire shot like a 4th of July. That is a playlist, man. G. Long time I get a good smoking song. You know what I'm saying? One of them made song there. You see me and say since Cartel. Long time I get one of them song the way it does. You know? Yeah, man. Real talk, man. But yeah, man, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know anything about the one there. Thoughts, comments. You see me and say, let me know anything about the one there. What's the favorite part? Beat, lyrics, melody, girls, visuals. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But big up Teejay, very talented artist. Can make songs on any subject. You see me and say, but a long time we don't hear no good weed smoking song for real in a dance hall. You know, long time you get a song where yo, last good dance weed song Pablo Gay was called as me wake up. You know, one of them say Mary. Yo, but yeah. Certain things that dance hall is missing. Certain tunes is missing from dance hall for sure. Certain vibes for sure. You see me? Maybe it's because of the new era or energy of dance hall. But certain songs, usually you have a good, a bad weed song, a bad girl song, a bad gun song, a bad dance song, a bad culture song. You know what I'm saying? That, yeah. But hey, we see what's going on. Keep your eye up on dance and see what's going on. You know, the game is changing, it's improving in many ways. So, let's have to keep the eye up on the game and see what's going on. That's me as again, but drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part, B6, melody, visuals, all that good stuff. Let's get the discourse going. Let's talk about it, gang. You already know what time it is. We love dancehall and we love music. So let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. As me, I said, drop your request. You're going to get your shout out. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Don't forget the each other part. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.